Hello my dear student, welcome back in GK. Okay beta, see on your book page number 34, I wonder. It is in your syllabus and page number 35 also. Okay, today we will do this. Okay, beta, this is you have to learn for the exam. Okay, see here question number 1. Why do green leaves turn yellow in winter? Okay, greenery of the plants due to the chlorophyll. You know, I think you have that in the science. The leaves prepare food during photosynthesis in sunlight. The green color of the leaves is due to chlorophyll. In winter, plants get insufficient sunlight, so the leaves turn yellow. Okay, I will repeat it. The leaves prepare food during photosynthesis in sunlight. The green color of the leaves is due to chlorophyll. In winter, plants get insufficient sunlight, so the leaves turn yellow. Okay. Question number 2. Okay. Why do boats not sink in water? When anything is dipped in water, it distances some water. Okay. The boats are made in such a way that the weight of the boat is less than the water, that is, displaces. So the boat does not sink but floats on the surface of the water. But you can learn this much only, okay? This is the main reason. Number 3, why do polar bears live in Arctic regions and not on South Pole? Okay. The polar bears are fond of seals. They eat seals. They can get seals in the Arctic regions, hence they live there. For their necessity, they live there. They are also found in Canada, Russia, Greenland, Norway and Alaska in US. Okay, you can write this much only. Because of the seals, they live in Arctic regions. And the question number 4 is, see here bats hanging on the tree. The bats are seen on trees hanging upside down. Why? Let us see, bats have very weak legs. Okay, they cannot stand or walk. That's why they hanging. They can only hang themselves. Hence they are seen hanging upside down on the trees. Okay, main reason is bats have very weak legs. They cannot stand or walk. That's why they hanging on the trees. Number 5. You should never run when your clothes are on fire. Okay, beta. A person whose clothes are on fire is asked not to run, as running flares up the flames due to the oxygen. Okay. Thus spreading the fire. The person should be wrapped in a thick blanket. See here, wrapped in a thick blanket to cut off the air supply in the air due to the oxygen. The flames flares up. Okay. Number 6. Why is chlorine added in the water? See here, chlorine added in the water. Water contains many impurities. It is purified before it is made fit for drinking and consumptions. Water is filtered and boiled to remove impurities. Beta, when dehydration is there, doctors always suggest for the boiling water, for the filtration of the water, for the purity of the water. Still there may be germs in it. Chlorine tablets are added in water to kill germs. This is the main reason. You can write this much only. Chlorine tablets are added in water to kill germs. In storage tanks, chlorine tablets are added regularly after dropping, cleaning of the tank. This makes water safe and fit for drinking. Now see this answer again. Chlorine tablets are added in water to kill germs. This makes water safe and fit for drinking. Okay, now see number 7. The liquid rises up in the straw when we drink any liquid through it, and why? When we drink any liquid through a straw, the air from the straw is removed, creating a low pressure. Okay. When we drink any liquid through a straw, the air from the straw is removed, creating a low pressure. The air pressure on the liquid on the bottle forces the liquid, such as cold drink, to rise up in the straw. Okay, therefore air pressure is used to drink through a straw. Now see the next. Number 8. A burning candle is extinguished after a few seconds when covered with a glass jar. And why? Air is important for process of burning. Okay, already we have that here. Okay. Air is important for process of burning. Oxygen in the air helps in burning. The candle covered with a glass jar gets extinguished because the air supply is cut off and oxygen is not available to it. You can write, because of the air supply is cut off and oxygen is not available to it. So my dear student,